So, we only have 5 out of Shay. Pomsky pups. What are they, a day old? 1 day old. So we got a brindle, a little tan one down here, an orange one, another brindle, and this little chocolate one. Yeah. And Annie's in labor, so hopefully we can catch her. Well, I've been up most of last night, all day yesterday, with Annie doing this. I'm pretty sure I just saw her push, so hopefully we have puppies today. She is absolutely miserable. She stops, and I don't know. Soon, I hope soon. It's been a long go for her all night long and most of yesterday. So hopefully I can catch it. Yeah, so I've seen her pushing here, and she's uncomfortable and flip-flopped. We're not even 5 minutes from my last video recording. So I watched her push a couple times now, so we should have puppies soon. I'm hoping that we catch her. So I'm hoping that mess is all over this blanket. And there's a pad under the blanket, but she has relocated everything, and I'm hoping it's still on the blanket. I gotta wash everything again. But I'm not sure what's going on up in there. That's the longest she's paid any attention to it. Appears maybe, water broke or something there. She's pretty adamant about cleaning something up. My arms are getting really tired. I brought a tripod in for this. Let me go put it in the tripod. Nope, I'm gonna wait. Alright, so a tripod, and then I relocated her. She's not real happy. But I fixed everything up just in case. And now I got the tripod on the wrong side because I've turned her. I'm sure she'll move again. Doesn't look like anything's happening, so I am going to turn this off for now. And you watch, then we'll get a puppy. There's the push. I seen her pushing. Are we going to have some puppies? Oh, you're going to turn around, aren't you? That's not going to help us any. Where are you going? Oh yeah, no, you can't get under the bed. She might go in the kennel, so pretty sure she's relocating to have some puppies here. So, she was not thrilled with me. So this is what we get now. See, I have it set up everywhere. It's nothing like boxes of ammo right there by her head, huh? So we relocated where we wanted to in the first place. I can't figure out how to stop the autofocus thing going on here. On this, I'm not used to something moving around like she's doing. So I'm hoping just to catch one puppy, or maybe 2. I could do a short on the other one. Oh, it's way too close right now. I think she's blurry. So. We relocated to the bed again. Just had a wiggle with her. How's that? So we're chasing her around the room now. She has no idea what's going on. And she doesn't know where to go. So we're back on the bed. Whatever. We'll follow her around. Oh, you got a puppy? You got a puppy? Heard you got a puppy. I heard it. That's a big puppy, Annie. Those are supposed to be little puppies. It's breathing. I can't tell. It's got a black head. Oh no, it's a...
Okay, the placenta's gonna come. Mom's gonna take it. I got it, girl. Can I have it? It's really kind of yucky. Take care of your puppy instead.
Alright, sorry.
It is a girl. Look at what you did. Look at what you did. Look at that. I am shocked. A shocked kitty. Good mama. You made a baby. I had a baby.
All right then. Don't bite her, Amy. Alright, so Annie's pumped 2 out, one after another. So we got a tan one and then a black and white one. So black and white female, and then we got a tan male that you can see right up underneath her there. And I'm not sure, but I think another one's coming out. She's not wasting any time pushing puppies out. Not that she's real impressed with us, but she's huffing and puffing again. So anyways, we have like, we can't explain that. We just can't explain that. So we have 4. You have, this is the newest one, female. That's the one of them. That's a female. That guy's a male down there. And then this one's a female. So we have 4. Well, she's being pretty good at the moment. We can't explain the colorings. We wanted them to look like her. But we might have one more the way she's panting. We'll see. That's what we got right now. She's a mess. But they're all moving pretty good and healthy looking. That one looks shaggy. Look how shaggy that one looks. Just look at how long the hair is already. You're okay. I just changed the bedding in here. So we are 2 days later. I recorded one from yesterday at a day, but the bedding was icky. And I didn't realize it until I was done. So I'm doing it again. So she's being a pretty good mama right now. We had 4 altogether. You got 2 like this one here. and that one, and there's a, I don't know. Oh, there's the other one. So 4. And there's a, I can't remember what, a sable, a tan, and then 2 of these, I don't know, my wife called them piebald or something like that, or party. But that's what we got. So what we will do, not that you can see anything anymore, you can see better on the other one, but we'll leave you with this.